My name is Kyle Emick, and I'm an assistant professor at the Alfred Lerner College of Business and Economics at the University of Delaware. I'm here today to talk about a recent publication in the Journal of Organizational Behavior with my co-author, Dr. Li Lu, of the College of Business and Public Affairs at West Chester University. We all know that teams are important to modern organizations because the ability to combine resources such as knowledge is necessary to complete the complex tasks in the dynamic environments they face. We also know that teams are sets of interacting individuals, and these interactions are important because as team members interact over time, their characteristics and perceptions can change, such that they tend to emerge at a higher team level. This is the reason teams are usually described as being psychologically safe or cohesive. Now, emergence can occur in one of two conceptually distinct ways. First, emergence can occur compositionally, such that as team members interact over time, they come to a shared understanding of their team environment. Alternatively, emergence can occur compilationally, such that even though team members are interacting within the same team environment, they still tend to hold their own distinct beliefs, expectations, and behave differently. These two triangles represent compositional and compilational emergence. These numbers could represent anything, but let us assume they represent collective efficacy or confidence in the team's ability to complete its task on a 1 to 5 scale, where 1 is not confident at all and 5 is completely confident. Team A represents compositional emergence, where all team members agree that the team is moderately capable. Team B represents compilational emergence, where team members think differently. While compositional models describe some real-world teams who train together in strong environments or are encouraged to think alike, most teams, especially in creative and high-tech organizations, look more like Team B. Despite this, most team research treats teams as compositional because it uses summary statistics to quantify their characteristics, primarily means, or the average of the team members' characteristics. When means are used to describe a team property, it is implicitly assumed that everyone within a team contains that characteristic at the mean level. For example, teams A and B both have a mean collective efficacy of 3. And while the members of Team A do all have a moderate belief in the capabilities of the team, the members of Team B have a different pattern of collective efficacy beliefs. Further, when differences between team members are explored, they are often done using standard deviations. However, if we look at teams B and C, we can see that this approach does not lend full insight into compilational emergence. Again, both of these teams have a mean collective efficacy of 3, however this time, both also have a variance of 2. However, these teams are likely to behave differently because of the specific pattern of collective efficacy beliefs of their members. And this is meaningful because these differences are likely to affect important team outcomes, such as performance and innovation. Currently, we stress the importance of building theory, considering patterns of perception within teams, and designing studies and collecting the data necessary in order to further explore these patterns. Specifically, we address 3 types of patterns and perceptions that can occur within organizational teams. Patterns of perceptions involving individuals themselves, patterns of perceptions involving their individual teammates, and patterns of perceptions involving the team as a whole. In order to do this, we review and summarize some current research that looks at these patterns and suggests some important directions for future research.